In this video, we take all these RC cars to a skate park and break them. Oh! Oh my God! Oh! Want to make some extra cash so you can buy more toys, quit your job, go on more holidays, or maybe build a monster truck? I've got you covered. Check out my course in the description and I'll show you how to make 100k profit a year. Skate park and BMX track all in one. Alright, so we've got the Traxxas X-Maxx here running on 8S. We've got the UDR running on 6S. We've got the Notorious on 6S. We've got the Slash over there on 3S. Here comes Maxine. Uh-oh. Oh. Oh, body off. Oh no. X-Maxx is everywhere. Everyone's busy working. We're playing. Going into the drop-in. Oh, it does come out. Have you? Oh! Oh! Jesus! I didn't mean to go that high. X-Maxx loving it. Running the old Fluion lipos in this one here. Oh! Oh, broke a steering arm. Oh, that's it, it's getting it. I wanted to hit this one here flat out earlier. Now that it's broken, I may as well. I did actually say earlier that I'm not going to break it. Oh well. Oh my God! Oh! Oh, that doesn't sound good.
That sounded like something's come disconnected.
Oh, it's all wonky. Oh, stickers fell off. Oh my God!
What? Little Rev Kev?
No, I think it broke the chassis. Oh, it did, look!
Holy hell!
Snapped the chassis in half again!
Crazy!
Oh no, look!
Oh no!
Oh! No, I've done that before. Oh, people in the comments said, oh, he took the screws out, but look, all the screws are in. All these screws are in, all those screws are in. It's actually snapped. Oh, and it's broken that.
Oh my God!
Oh, and it's broken the battery mount. Oh. The only thing holding it together is the motor pinion in there. Alright, next we got the UDR. Oh, chassis slammer. That was a good parking. Oh no! Oh look! Oh, I'm too old for this.
Hey, I got to go on the EDR!
Oh. Ah, no stuff right on the UDR. Oh. Oh. Uh-oh. Oh, killed it. Oh, yeah, that's the next one down, look. Ah. Next! Go on, Pat, in the bowl. Get her in the bowl, Pat. Oh! I'll tell you. Whoa! Oh! Oh, that one flat out.
Nah, man.
If you hit that one flat out, I'll pay for the damage.
Alright, you said it, mate.
Alright, flat out. Oh my god, look at that. Look at the size of that. It's just vertical. That's going to go to the moon. Go for it. Oh dear. Oh! It landed on its head. I think it's... Oh, yeah, it is broken. Nail it. Faster. Oh, and a nice landing. There we go. Oh no, oh! Oh dear. Oh! Oh, that really killed it now. What happened?
Hey, look at it. Oh.
I'll still move. Do it again.
No, she's done, mate.
Oh, we got arm hanging off. Oh, that's still hanging out. So we're running the 3S Abzima LiPo here, 6S capable Mamba X ESC, standard motor, even though this has taken 6S before. Ready, flat out. This is probably the RC that I've got that takes more abuse than anything else. Look, flat out.
Nice, solid throw.
Uh-oh. Slash 4x4 loves it. Let's do your jump flat out. Oh, it takes it. Oh no!
That must be home time then.
Oh!
Don't know.
Another chassis or bulkhead. What happened? Oh, look! The hex is actually smashed. That's the first. Oh, that's another one to the heat.